All right, guys, this question is from the two questions from the SL textbook. A couple of people have asked about this. Exercise 10F, numbers 4 and 5. I'm just going to kind of talk you through how we would set this up on our calculator and maybe some of the reasons why. Okay, so this first question is very similar to question 8 on example 8 on page 478 of your SL textbook. It says Fiona won an annuity of $6,000. It's for 5 years at 4.8% per annum to be paid out monthly. Find the monthly payments. Now this is actually a common thing. You know, if you win the lottery or something and you win $1 million, they don't actually usually give you $1 million right off the bat. Usually what happens is they give you payments over the course of several months, and they give you interest on the pieces that they haven't paid you yet. Okay, so this is a fairly common idea, and I want to show you how we would set this up on our calculator. So this is what you'd put into your calculator. This is because of the monthly payments that they're giving you monthly payments, but they're also we're going to be doing the compounding monthly as well. So because of this, rather than doing this in years, in terms of months, okay? This is going to allow us to do each piece individually. It's going to be a little bit easier to work with, okay? They do a very similar thing in that example number 8, okay? So it is 5 years. We're doing monthly, and so we got 60 months there. The interest, which is 4.8% per annum, we're going to divide by 12 to get the interest per month, okay, so that we are getting that interest per month. Furthermore, the present value, that's how much was owed at the beginning. The total value is 6,000, right? So that's how much she won. She'll end up getting more because of the interest. Okay, now to find out how much payment she gets, okay, this is what we're going to leave blank. You can put a number there if you want, but in the end, you're going to put your cursor back right here and then push enter. And that should give you the correct answer, but you got to make sure the future value is 0, because in 60 months, in 5 years, 5 times 12, we want to make sure that the $6,000 is all gone. So the future value should be 0. Now, remember, we're doing this in months, not years. So this says PPY, but really it's PP month, one payment per month. And then the compounding we're also going to say is once per month. Okay. At this point, if you go to the payment there and push enter, then it should give you a value there for what the payments per month are. Okay. Let's look at the next question. This one is actually quite similar to the previous one. It's got an annuity, right? This one is £500 a month for 5 years. Okay, so similar idea, we're receiving money. This one gives us the monthly interest rate. Okay, and so we're going to use a very similar process, right? Again, this is a 5-year annuity. Again, because it's talking about monthly interest, and it's giving us payments every month, we're going to use a similar process as before. We're going to do 5 years times 12 months to give us 60 months. And so we're going to work in months again. This time the interest percent is 8%. So that 8% is going to go right here. The present value, we don't know, right? He wants 500 payment. That's positive because he's receiving that money. The future value will be 0 because after the 5 years, we want the annuity to be used up. And then again, because we're doing it by month, we get one payment per month and one compounding per month. Again, when you do this, you should be able to go to the present value. This time we're looking for the present value. You should be able to put the cursor there, push enter, and it should give you the correct answer. All right? Let me know if you have any questions with this or problems with the setup, and I'll help you out.